Guys, we're out here in Gunnison, Colorado today, or I guess south of Gunnison, out here in Saguache County. Actually, we're just about 13 miles from town. This beautiful cabin I have listed. This is on 155 total acres, and man, this is one heck of a cool property. So I'm gonna go tour you guys around inside and give you a little bit of look at the views, but this is one heck of a place, and I'd say come look at it before it's gone. Now, while we're out here, I got the Canon out, I got the Mavic 3 Pro, I took a couple photos and videos. We're gonna go inside, get the wide angle lens out, take a couple new photos. Last time I was here, they had the windows up there boarded up for the snow. Those are all taken off now, and she's got those windows cleaned. Man, it's got tremendous views looking north here through the Gunnison Valley. We'll get up there and check it out. Now, one cool thing about this property is this whole basement level, you can fit a backhoe and your high lift and Jeep and whatever else you want in this thing. That's where he's stored all the equipment that he's used to build this property throughout the years. Got this thing done in 2014. Let's jump in here real quick and I'll show you guys the storage in the basement. And as you can see, there's plenty of room. You got the little area back there where he's got the cistern and the water tank. There's a water line that shows you how many hundreds of gallons are back in there. And then the hot water pump. And that goes up to the main level upstairs. So we'll go up there. Now, as you can see, coming up onto the deck and the porch here on that main level. And these are your views looking directly north. Pretty darn spectacular. There's those big windows. All right, now we're coming into the main entrance up here. This is the main level. Got the camera set up. Here you can see the upstairs. That goes up to the loft area there. Got a nice wood stove. A little chilly this morning, so they got that cranking. You can see the views out of here. Propane refrigerator. Large 6-burner propane stove. Got our sink here. Exit off onto the porch there where the grill is outside. And then we've got 2 more exits right there. There's a little pantry over to my right there. And then over here, this is where we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So you can kind of see 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with a sliding door like that. And then over here, the master closet here. Great views. With an attached bathroom as well. All right, and last but not least, we have the upstairs. I'll show you. Now this, as you'll see, hasn't been framed completely in up here. You can either take that out or frame it completely in. But nice loft area up here, pretty darn large, and really cool views to the south here. There you go, folks.